Look! What's this? It's the hottest hair topper with invisible clear elastic drawstrings. Fully hand-tied, HD lace, built with anti-slip pads. 100% human hair. It comes with transparent adjusting cords and 2 small adjustment hooks. How to install this in seconds? Hi everyone, I'm Lynn. And going to try on 100 popular hair toppers. For our very first episode, we are starting strong with full-lace frontal topper with adjustable clear wire, and the lace goes right across from ear to ear. Notice the irregular hairline, complete with baby hairs. This is the front part of the piece, and the other side is the back. Let's lift the back part up like this. Turn around, just like this. Pull it on, and slide that wire around the back of my head. I tied a teeny ponytail today to help secure it in place. The whole reason I'm doing this challenge is because online shopping has gotten so tricky with AI. We constantly see perfect digital models wearing AI-generated hairpieces instead of actual photos. You never really know what's going to show up or how it sits on a normal person's head. So I'm putting them on myself. Not every piece will be a winner for me. But I hope these real-life try-ons give you the facts, help you decide, and save you time. Alright, letting the ponytail out. As you can see, this 14 inches topper is a bit too long for me. I haven't trimmed it, so you can see it clearly. I'm 40 years old. I have got a lot of thinning in the front, grease, and my hairline is pulling back. This hair topper leaves no clips and no glue. Zero string on the scalp. Simple to wear. It suits me really well. If you have any questions at all about the piece I showed today, drop them down below. I promise I will answer 100% of your comments. Let me adjust the tightness, okay? You can also wear it pulled up, but once you pull it back, you will definitely notice that the lace needs to be trimmed and customized to fit your unique hairline. If you guys want, I can totally make a separate tutorials to show you exactly how to cut it, because you can actually trim the extra lace on both the front and the back. Also, let me know what kind of toppers you want to see me try on next. I would love to hear your suggestions. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I'm Lynn. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in next episode. Bye.